Das Cayman Garage here, how to check the oil level on your Aprilia 2.0. Coming to the driver right side of the bike, you've got your oil fill port right here, and this is actually your dipstick. I'll show you how to use it. All right, we're referencing page 227 out of our manual, which is shown on the screen right now. The engine oil level check must be performed when the engine is warm. To perform the procedure correctly, do it after a trip after having driven roughly 9 miles on non-city roads. Next page on your screen right now. Shut engine off. Wait a few seconds. Keep vehicle in a vertical position with both wheels resting on the ground. Make sure you are on a flat surface. Unscrew the oil dipstick. This is your dipstick. Sometimes you gotta crack it loose. Unscrew this. Here's your dipstick. Next, clean the oil dipstick. Reinsert the dipstick without screwing it in. Remove it again and check the oil level. The correct oil level is near the max mark. If not, top off the engine oil. We're gonna insert the oil dipstick straight in. Pull it out without screwing it in. You're gonna see that my oil right there. You see that my oil is pretty much midway on the stick. I'm trying to get a good view of that. So you can see right there that my oil is pretty much midway on the stick. So because my engine's warmed up, I gotta add a little oil to this. Go ahead and crack your oil fill loose if it's a little tight. Pop this off. And feel free to pause your screen. We're on page 297 of the manual. We need 5W40. Use brand name oils with performance comparable or greater to these specifications right here. ACEA A3-API-SL, JSO MA, JSO MA2. And this is the oil I use on my motorcycle. I have linked this in the description below if you want to go buy some for yourself. Once your oil is topped off and the level's right, go ahead and put your filler cap back on and tighten it down. And that's how you properly check the oil level on your Aprilia 2.0. If this video has helped you out, leave a comment below, maybe a little thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tips and tricks, and we'll see you next time.